horrendous, tremendous. I've been just a little bit more than the average whore. Cause I'm focused, I rock Versace lamps and sofas.
Yo, what's up, Urban Mafia? This your girl SHAKUR. So in this video, I'll be showcasing this wig that I received from SOWIGS.com. I received one of their new wigs from their new hairline. This is the 13x6 lace wig. I got it in the style deep wave, 20 inches. They also have this wig in body wave and straight, and I will leave the links to this wig in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Now this wig has 6 inches parting space, I believe, which is amazing in my opinion. So of course I'm going in and I'm going to bleach these knots just to give off a better and natural look. So this is how the hair looks after I wash and deep condition the hair. The hair barely had any shedding. I had about like 5 strands, and yes, like I counted this. And of course this wig came with a natural hairline, but I went ahead and just plucked it a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. And please excuse my nails, y'all. I don't know what I'm going through, y'all. I guess it's a phase. I don't know. I do not know. Okay, so when I actually laid this wig, I didn't put a cap underneath, only because today, y'all, actually in this video I went somewhere and I wasn't really trying to have a cap on top of my head. So my intentions was to really just do the flip over method, but I will be showing you guys how the parting space looks. I don't know, like the whole ball cap method, I like it, but it's just way too much, and I'm not a fan of having stuff glued to my head. So purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Like I said, y'all, if y'all not a fan of using like the glue and, you know, the got to be glue, go ahead and just use some freeze spray. And if not, that spritz, because I don't sleep in my wigs and I really just put them on and take them off like the same day. Yo, one thing I can say about this wig is that it is 130% density. It's not thick, but it looks so good. It's like the perfect density in my opinion, because currently it is super hot in Georgia, and y'all, ain't nobody trying to break a sweat. So this is how the hairline looks, looking kind of boxy. Now this isn't the 91% alcohol, but this is the only alcohol that I had around my house. So I just went ahead, just cleaned around the hairline, and I will be customizing some baby hairs into the wig. I don't know, y'all, I'm not really a fan of frontals because in my opinion they're just so complicated to do, but I feel like I'm getting better. Like every time I receive one, I feel like I'm getting better. So this is the parting space, and this is how the part looks. Now, of course, if I had a cap underneath, it would look even more natural. But y'all, if y'all ask me, it's looking like skin to me. I mean, a little bit. What y'all think? But thank you guys for watching. I will leave the links to this hair and the website in the description box below. I want to give a big old thanks to SOWIGS.com for collabing with me on this video. And yeah, stay tuned for any more videos regarding to hair, lifestyle, story times. And I will see you in my next one. Glit it, glit it.